Okay, today we're going to talk about Level Up Anime and why a anime merchandising venture is needed in the market in the Oklahoma City area. So what is Level Up Anime going to be? It's going to be a place to find what you're looking for. The anime industry is poorly represented in the Oklahoma City area. The only offerings of merchandise are limited to inadequate selections from big box stores and overpriced products sold in shopping mall boutiques. So, by offering unique products that are in demand, Level Up Anime will come in and expand that market by offering a more differentiated product mix, and engaging in the anime community will allow us to provide the most highly sought after products. But we're not just going to be there to sell them shirts and keychains and merchandising. We're also going to offer an immersive type atmosphere and a social environment. We're going to do this through a coffee shop type atmosphere that's going to allow patrons to come in, enjoy the company of other enthusiasts, watch their favorite shows on TVs in a cafe type area. And this combination of retail, store, and social environment is going to provide a much needed outlet for this emerging market segment. So, what is that market? Well, the popularity of streaming services has increased anime viewership. As an example, Crunchyroll is a major player in the U.S. anime streaming market and reported in 2018 that they had over 2 million paid subscribers and 45 million total users. And those numbers aren't going down, they're going up month by month, year by year. So what this ease of access is doing, as it continues, it's increasing the demand for anime related merchandise in the market. The Association of Japanese Animations, or AJA, reports yearly on the state of anime industry, both on more global sense and just locally in Japan. They list merchandising as the second largest segment in the market, behind the distribution licensing, which the U.S. is the largest importer of anime. So our market is lagging. They are flooding us with more anime, and we are not, and we have a lack of merchandise in our market. So, what does this do for anime enthusiasts? It gives them no place to go. With few options, enthusiasts are forced to buy those big box stores with limited selections, or head to shopping malls for what is only a slightly better offering. So what are these? So how is this going to work? Well, customers are looking for products centered around their favorite animes, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to offer unique products: t-shirts, figurines, keychains, backpacks, other clothing items. Just anything anime is going to be able to be found in our inventory. And we're also in that immersive atmosphere. We're just going to show the shows. I mean, that's what brings them in. That's why anime enthusiasts like to watch this particular media. It's entertainment for them, and that's what they want to spend their time and their money on. And then we're also going to do this through engagement. So currently, the anime community engages in conventions, private screenings, public screenings of anime shows and movies, and other special events. This is also how they find merchandise in a lot of areas, and Oklahoma City is one of those. With just our few limited options you have, going to these special events is one way to find a better selection, or to gather with other enthusiasts. Level Up Anime is going to be part of that community. We'll be at these conventions and put on those special events. We'll hold them up ourselves, and that's what's going to build up our brand reputation within the anime community. Why do I think this is going to work? Well, with increased availability more demand for products is already there. So just creating that hole in the market. There's no new merchandise. That's what people need. They're tired of not finding what they want. They will welcome a fresh, relevant inventory and the social atmosphere that they can frequent for their anime fix. And that's how we're going to fill this hole in the market. By filling the need in the market, we're going to build a brand that is recognized by the community for offering those products they can't get anywhere else. So we talked a lot about why that market is there, but who is this customer that I'm talking about? Well, in a Crunchyroll, CEO Colin Decker says in a 2017 interview that his viewership demographic ranges from about 18 to 34 years of age and has a slight male bias. These are our millennials, give or take a few years. The good thing is that in this good economy, this group of demographic in the Oklahoma City area is has a favorable employment rate, and they've got money to spend, and they spend money on entertainment. So, who is going to do this? Who's going to run Level Up Anime? Level Up Anime is going to be formed as a partnership between my wife and myself. I will act as the general manager, overseeing in-store operations, and she'll be the human resource manager, assuming payroll, compliance, and policy functions that are important to every business to make things run smooth. I've been an anime enthusiast for over 20 years, and have had leadership responsibilities throughout my professional career, and that's what I'm going to lean on to get this endeavor going, and to build the strong relationship in the community. My wife has over 20 years experience in human resources, payroll, and benefit roles, and our combined experience make us a great team to ensure this will be a successful venture. But we also know we're not going to be able to do it alone. So we're gonna create an awesome team. We're gonna create a team of other enthusiasts of anime that are excited about the prospect of bringing these needed products to this and services to the anime community in the Oklahoma City area. Okay, so how much is this going to cost? Well, our estimations are about $150,000 to get us through the first 6 months of operation. We expect to be making profit by the end of the 4th month. But to be sure that we can fully address the needs of the customer base, more capital is going to be helpful. And to get through those first 6 months, we'll just ensure that we can get off on a good start and have a solid foundation in the market. How are we going to do this? Well, we're willing to pay 50% up front, and that's what we're going to invest into this venture. And we would like to secure 50% in small business administration loans, and that's how we plan on getting this funded. So the big question: do we think this is going to work? Well, it can't be denied that the market's growing in the U.S. Availability is there. It's not slowing down anytime soon. More people are going to be watching this. And as the market floods with this content, the demand for a more diverse product mix is going to be there. So this creates the great opportunity, and we just have to take this opportunity. It's unique business venture like Level Up Anime to fill this hole in this market that's being created and growing month by month, and it's going to have good returns with the right product mix and marketing strategy. The profits will come, and that is the end goal of this venture, to create this business that fills the need of the customer, grows the anime presence in the Oklahoma City area, fosters that growing market, and make a profit while we're doing it. These are my references, and that's it. Thank you.